Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing and a small short test. This time we have this Sandisk Ultra Dual Drive m3.0 flash drive for Android smartphones, 32GB capacity. Before I ordered this, and I ordered this solely for use with the A500 Mini, I didn't pay much attention to the design other than it was small, which I wanted. Then I noticed that it was the new version of the Dual Drive, which I didn't remember by name, which design-wise looks almost the same, but it is all black. And I wish I remembered that when I was placing an order, because that drive was terrible, at least in terms of longevity. Okay, what can we find out about the drive without even opening the package? Well, apparently you can use it with OTG enabled Android devices, speed up to 150 megabytes per second from drive to computer. So basically it means read speeds only, which is not exactly surprising. It supports Windows Vista, which is cool, Windows 7, 8, 10, macOS 10.71, no, 10.7 plus, and most Android devices, blah blah blah. It comes with a 5-year warranty. It's obviously very small, barely longer than a USB port. Not port, yeah, port. Yeah, let's go with that. It is definitely different from the previous version, the Dual Drive, because this is not just see-through, we can actually touch the metal here. I did not expect that. I thought there was plastic all around it. Interesting. I don't mind, just I find this kind of curious choice. I cannot figure out how to open this. Yeah. I was trying to press something or click something, or I don't know. But no, you just simply move this up and down like this. As you can see, on the one side you have type A, on the other side we have micro B, everyone's favorite. Yeah, I knew that, but I wasn't planning on using the micro B part. A mix of emotions here. On the plus side, I like the design as it is. It is cool design. On the negative side, I was hoping that it had something more to help with temperatures, which is why I didn't get other USB sticks, which were even smaller. Live and learn. Anyway, it wasn't that expensive anyway. Time for some tests, right? Yeah.